Welcome to Amazon's guide on selling products with safety requirements. As a customer-centric company that strives to be the safest place on earth to shop, safety and regulatory compliance is a top priority at Amazon. Our strategy leans heavily into technology backed by thousands of people across the company, working on product safety to ensure product integrity and regulatory compliance. Amazon continuously listens to the customers and upgrades its systems for submitting product safety test reports and compliance documents. In this video, we are going to explain our policy requirements because if you don't meet these policy requirements, you won't get to sell on Amazon. Our enhanced controls now require selling partners to upload safety documents of ASINs that you wish to sell on Seller Central. Sellers should have safety documents, such as test reports from accredited testing laboratory, confirming that product was tested as per applicable standards, and verify that details on the product page along with information provided in the compliance documentation. Let's walk you through step-by-step guide on how to submit documents for review, how to appeal a request for documents, how to check the review status, how to handle document rejections. Amazon requests compliance documentation from sellers via email. Once messaged, a document collection case is automatically set up in our internal tool via the Account Health dashboard. Sellers can upload documents directly via Account Health dashboard in compliance documentation request and review real-time status on pending document requests. Sellers will receive automated reminders on any incomplete document requests. Now, we will take you through our systems to submit documents. From Seller Central homepage, select the Performance tab from the tab navigation bar. Choose Account Health from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Account Health dashboard. In the Product Compliance Requests box, located in the bottom right corner, click Documentation Requests. From the Product Compliance Requests page, you can see all listings pending compliance documentation. Select the Provide Documentation button located next to each listing to upload documents or appeal the decision. You will be directed to a page for document upload. Once the document is uploaded in the system, a compliance associate will review the file against compliance requirements to determine eligibility. You might feel that you need to appeal a request as the requested documents do not apply to your product. Once you click on the appeal option, a compliance associate will review your request. If you meet the criteria, the compliance request will be resolved. If not, you will be directed to provide safety compliance documents for the applicable product ASINs. For each rejected document, the seller receives an email sent by our systems. The seller can upload the safety documents in the Seller Central against their ASINs. This helps us find a root cause and track the case in order to better remedy the situation. Your responses are also used to improve our document collection processes. By providing the required safety documents, we want everyone to be confident that what they buy on Amazon is safe. Our proactive strategy is our way of ensuring that we meet our safety promise.